What up, beautiful people? How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Frances Ezunye, and in today's video, I show you how to install my DIY ombre goddess locks on my hair. Watch till the very end to see the entire process. So guys, this is going to be a quick one. So I already did part my hair. I literally just section my hair into medium-sized boxes and I braid it halfway and then I twist it to the end. So yeah, I literally do this because my hair is very kinky, type 4C. If there's anything like 4D, I think I do belong to that category because guys, my hair is something else. And notice again, I didn't really braid it tight at the root so that it will be easy for me to crochet the locks to my hair. Now for this tutorial, we'll be doing the wrapping method. So I pass the crochet through my hair, then attach the locks to the hook of the crochet and then pull it through. Now while the crochet is still there, I just attach my natural hair to the hook and then pull it through that loop, right? And then I give my hair a tug, a little tug, and then with the edge of the same crochet I attach the wrapping hair to that. So once I was done with all of that, I hold my natural hair and the locks together and I start wrapping. I wrap it about 2 to 3 times at the root and then I begin to wrap around my natural hair and the locks together. Now as I'm going, I make sure that I cover my natural hair because I do not want that hair poking out, right? So yeah. So I go ahead and wrap this until I've wrapped all my natural hair and until the wrapping hair is finished as well. So once I'm done doing that, I just rub that in between my palms to secure that properly, and then that is it, you guys. If you're lost at this point, how come about the locks and the wrapping hair, guys, I'll refer you back to my previous video where I showed you how I made this ombre goddess locks with expression braiding hair. So you go and watch that video. Once you do that, you will know how come about the locks and the wrapping hair as well. So yeah, just go back to that video. I'll put the link in the description box below, right? Yeah. So again, I pass my crochet through my hair like so and then attach the locks, the loop of the lock to the hook of the crochet, then pull it through like so. So guys, look at how easily that glided through my hair. That is the reason why I didn't braid the root to be so tight, because I get to wrap it as tight as I want anyways when I'm wrapping it. So now I go ahead and pull my natural hair through the loop of that lock, and then holding my natural hair and the lock, I give my hair a little tug. So I go ahead and attach the wrapping hair to the root of my hair and I start wrapping. So I go ahead and apply a little more shine and jam, and then I grab my natural hair with the locks together and I start wrapping. I wrap 2 to 3 times around the root as tight as I want, not too tight to cause tension, and then I go ahead and wrap the rest of the hair. So guys, I keep wrapping this until my entire natural hair is covered and until the wrapping hair is finished as well. Once I get to that point, I just rub that in between my palms, and that is basically it, you guys. So I'm going to show you this one last time, guys. Just attach the locks to the root of your hair with the aid of a crochet, and while the crochet is still there, attach your natural hair to that and then pull it through the loop of the locks, and then holding both the natural hair and the locks, I give my hair a tug like that, and then I go ahead and as well pass the crochet through the root of my hair and then attach the wrapping hair to it and then pull it through. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and apply a little shine and jam to the root of my hair, and then I start wrapping it like so. So yeah, that is it basically, you guys. And yeah, now just bear in mind that this is not the only method to install this my DIY locks. You can as well cornrow your hair and just use some crochet to install the locks, or if you want, you can make individual braids around the perimeters and then cornrow your hair in the middle and just install it that way. Or you can do it, guys, whichever way you prefer or whichever way you want. There are a host of different ways to install your pre-looped locks. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So guys, now that I am done with the entire head of hair, I just go ahead to apply this my DIY hair growth oil to my scalp. Is actually cooling and it has some stimulating sensation as well. I just apply this throughout my entire scalp and then go ahead to massage it into my scalp. I also apply it around the perimeters and the edges as well, because those parts need attention as well. So yeah. So now I go ahead and give that lock some trim, to cut off the flyaways and some hairs that are poking out there. Yeah, so once I'm done doing that, I just laid my edges, put some mousse on my edges and then tie that down. So guys, this is the finished look, you guys. Guys, look at that. So beautiful, right? I just look at the color blend, guys. It looks so good on me. So yeah, now the inspiration for this came when I went to the store to look for a goddess locks to buy, and I couldn't find what I want. And I said to myself, you know what, we are going to be creating this. So I envisioned this in my head and brought it to life. So you guys, that is it. This is what the length looks like in front. That is how long it is. So guys, do you like this video? Please give me a thumbs up if you do like it, and subscribe to my channel, guys. That helps me grow, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and comment down below the kind of content you want me to create for you. I do appreciate you guys rocking with me. Thank you so much. So guys, like I said earlier, the prequel of this video, the prequel, guys, is that even correct? I don't know. The previous video before this one will be linked in the description box, and you need to watch that video. So if you haven't watched it, please go watch that video and then come back to this one. So that is it, you guys. Have fun. Bye.